guys, there's one like over there. Currently just passed by like right there. And I wanted you guys to get a better view of it, but I guess you guys didn't. Mama Pasta's video. Oh, guys, there's a better view of it. We missed the view, but okay. We missed the view, but okay. I was trying to get him. Oh, guys! You see those thingies, Majingi? Those are them. They're getting like really small now. You saw that? Those were them. Well, see if they come back. I'm gonna post this video and see if they come back. So guys, I don't think they're gonna pass for a little bit over here. If I get to go to the air show, I'll record some of the parts for you guys and stuff. But right now, I don't see them coming. They're just like, I don't know what to say to you guys. It's just like, if I go to the air show, obviously I'm gonna show you guys and stuff. Oh, and I might start daily vlogging, but I don't know yet because since I'm always busy and I can never make a video, I hope I'm not getting dirty. Alright guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.